Alright, let's see if we can get an angle on that bugger. Turn sideways.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, bugger. Look at it. It's good deal.
Do it.
Ah.
Do it.
Go ahead. Clean it out. Wow. Let's see what you got on the door. On the fridge. Oh my goodness, look at that! Oh goodness! Ew. Ew. That's pretty gross.